Hyundai Sonata starter replacement. Oh yeah. First you take off the cover. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Throw that on the ground. Radiator fan. One bolt right here. One bolt right here. Unplug the radiator fan right here. Squeeze this in right here. Pull it off. Tuck it off. Hook the battery, of course. And then unhook all these little tabs. Hold the battery wire that's going to the starter off. This fan off. Take the fan out. You should push these tabs right here. Where's it at? I can't see in this camera. Those make the fan pop out a little better. And then for the starter, it's sitting right here with this heat shield on it. Right here. Let me get in there. That's the starter heat shield right here. Go to bolts. Oh, you unhook your oxygen sensor right here. You need to push this up. This little tab right here. Push that up. And then squeeze the little tab down. Unhook it. Get your wires as loose as possible. Then the bolts for the starter are right here. That's the top one. The bottom one sits right underneath it. Right behind the motor mount bracket. And I'm gonna pause it real quick so I can take the starter off. And for the top bolt, you can use a little, just put a 14mm on the top bolt. I can't see with all these wires. That's the top bolt of the starter. And then the bottom bolt, let me get in there. Pause it real quick. And the bottom bolt is down here. You can see that. Let's see if I can get. Zoom out. Oops. Sorry about this terrible camera work. If I can move that out the way. Well, the bolts are down there. Just push down. I'm gonna pause it. Take the bolts out. Okay, I got the bolts out. Let's see here. This little tab right here on the starter. This would be where the heat, where the oxygen sensor would sit. See how that goes, you just slide it off. Take the starter out, you got it. That's the fun part. Oops. Push it back. Should push it back. You gotta get the bottom of it down. I gotta move this camera. Hold on, let me pause it. Okay. Yeah, you gotta get the back down first. Then you can slide the starter backwards. And you have the head of it right here once you get it slid back. And all this pulls out. Don't hit the radiator. 1 second, please. Okay, now once the starter is out, that's how it sits in the motor. Take that bolt out, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Let me take those off real fast for you. Okay, this is the brand new starter. I'll just take it back out though. Take these off. If you buy a Duralast brand starter, you're not gonna have both of these holes. This hole, that hole, you're just gonna have to complete the top hole. It slides off just like this. And this starter is from Poor Man's. It's a Remy 2911, I believe. No, 25911 Remy. Okay, let me get to the wires. Okay, we got the heat shield off the starter. Now the signal switch, there should be a tab on here, but these always break. As long as you got this metal piece right here on here, you're good. You can just tape that on there. That's a 13. I don't know if I can do it with the phone. Oh shit. That just pulls it off like that. Take this screw out. This video's gonna suck the quality. Pull that up. Let me pause it. And you pull the main power wire off from right here. Just pull it straight up. Pull it straight up. And there's your starter. And let's see what the problem with this one is. Ooh, there's a big hole in the block. Oh, damn. Okay, that's to wrap it up. 2006